Hey there, everybody. My name is Joshua Jensen here. I hope you're all having a great day. Let's go straight to the point. I'm here to talk about Jimmy John's. For a slight overview of anyone who does not know what Jimmy John's is, Jimmy John's was a company founded in 1983. At that same time, they started in-house delivery by their employees. Nobody else, just everyone on their payroll. In 2019, Inspire Brands purchased the company. There are around 2,800 active locations currently in 43 different states. Thus being, there should be enough locations countrywide to support all the communities so that everyone can be a customer to Jimmy John's. However, that is not the case. We cannot support everybody, and that is what we're here to talk about. The company in 2019 stated that they would not use third parties. They used the quote right here: "It will never authorize third-party companies like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Grubhub to deliver its sandwiches to its customers." The opportunity. The sales are not increasing how they should be due to third-party delivery services. Other restaurants and fast food services are taking over delivery competition that we used to have and what we used to own. Uber Eats alone has already partnered with 900,000 different restaurants that are not including us. What we can do, join Uber Eats, and get our name farther out for more people to see us and to choose us over the competition who have already been on the delivery service for longer. Inspire Brands, who bought us, Jimmy John's, also owns Dunkin' Donuts, Buffalo Wild Wings, Arby's, and Sonic, and all those different companies use Uber Eats, but we still do not. The benefits? Well, the benefits for Jimmy John's to use Uber Eats delivery would give the company a much larger outreach to customers. The customers who may be out of the Jimmy John's delivery area being able to order will bring in more sales and more revenue. The delivery area that Jimmy John's as a company has is about a 5 to 7 minute time frame towards the delivery address. So anyone out of that time limit is stuck with no Jimmy John's. However, the risks would include having to increase the price of products on Uber Eats. For the Plus plan, which I have chosen, Uber takes a 25% cut from delivery orders, meaning the prices would need to go up 25% for all Uber sales. However, there is a benefit to this. The benefit of this 25% increase includes the advertising of the company on the home page. Jimmy John's will be shown on search results, and customers could order anywhere from a 5 to 10 mile radius. So in a 5 to 10 mile radius, we could have an outreach of triple, quadruple, 5 times, 6 times more customers than we can currently accommodate currently. And our call to action: let's be freaky fast and join Uber Eats to give more people a chance to have our freaky fresh sandwiches. Thank you.